Hello, gardeners. If you're looking to save space and keep your zucchini plants healthier, try growing them on a trellis. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a strong trellis system and train zucchini vines to grow vertically. Trellising zucchini helps save space in the garden, allows for better airflow around the plant, and makes it easier to spot pests or diseases early. By growing vertically, you're also lifting the leaves and fruits off the ground, which helps prevent rotting and pest damage. When setting up a trellis for zucchini, choose materials that can support its weight, like wood or metal. Anchor the trellis securely in the ground so it can handle the growing plant, and place it close enough to your zucchini so you can easily guide the vines. To train the zucchini, gently wrap the vines around the trellis as they grow, securing them with soft ties or garden clips. Check the plant regularly, adjusting as needed to keep it growing upward. This technique also makes harvesting easier since the fruits are more accessible. Growing zucchini on a trellis is a great way to maximize space and maintain plant health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!